What if you could track any moving object in your video, then blur sensitive information, or attach text, stickers, or any image to it using AI without complicated manual editing? In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that can completely transform the way you handle motion tracking in your videos and make the entire process faster, smarter, and far more accurate. So, without further ado, let's dive in. When you click the link given in the description, you will land on this website. This is the official page of Nero Motion Tracker, where you can track any object automatically. It promises to make manual editing automated and perfectly accurate with Nero Motion Tracker. With the help of AI, you can easily track faces and different objects, hide sensitive information using mosaic blur, and fix text onto moving objects in just a few clicks. This means you can easily track any moving object or person, even if they change angles or get hidden behind something for a few moments. And you can also apply text or effects that will move along with them. Similarly, faces in the video can be automatically detected and continuously followed, and whenever needed, you can instantly apply mosaic or blur to hide their identity. In addition, you can select a specific area such as a number plate or any particular object, track it quickly, and export the video in good quality within a short time. At the top, you will find a free download button. By clicking on it, you can download the software. After downloading, install it. I have already installed it, so I will open it. Once opened, you will see a very clean and professional interface. You can drag and drop your file here or click on Browse to select your file. Here you have the same 3 tracking options available: segment tracking, face tracking, and zone tracking. First, we will try segment tracking. So I will click on Browse and import this video from my computer. The video is now here. Let me play it for you. It is a very simple video in which a man is walking toward the camera. I will place the playhead at the start of the video so that tracking begins from the very beginning. Now, from the tracking options, I will click on the plus button and select the man by clicking over his entire body so I can track him easily. Whatever you want to select in your video, just like I selected the man, make sure to select it carefully. Then click on Start Tracking to begin. You can see that tracking has started, and the motion tracker is analyzing it frame by frame. The video appears to move slowly during this process. I will wait until the tracking is completed, and as you can see, within a short time, the tracking has finished. After completing the tracking, I will close the tracking options and click on the Add Effects button below. It is asking for permission, so click Yes. Now the effects panel is open. From here, you can apply effects to the tracked object as well as to the background. Many built-in effects are available. For example, when I click on the Blur option, you can see that the tracked object, the man, is completely blurred. Similarly, you can add mosaic blur. If you want to add an image, click the plus button, which opens the File Explorer, and you can select any image. Once selected, the image appears here. There is also a color option where you can fill the selected object with any color. A color panel is available, and you can choose any color you like. For now, I will close it. There is also a desaturation option where you can increase or decrease the amount and clearly see the difference on the object. However, I will set it back to default and click on Original at the top to keep the object unchanged. Now, I will close this panel and move to the Background Effects section. Here, you can see the same options are available. Whether you want to keep it original or apply blur, you can do so. As you can see, the background is now blurred. If I click on Mosaic, a mosaic blur is applied to the background. By clicking on Image and then Add, you can set any image as the background. For example, I selected this wallpaper as the background, and you can see it has fitted properly. Let me play it for you. Many motion trackers cut the object awkwardly, and the distortion looks unpleasant. However, in this software, nothing like that happens, which is something I personally liked the most. The color and desaturation options are also available for the background. For now, I will keep the background blurred. You can see how nicely it has been blurred. Let's play it again. It looks perfect. If you want, you can click on Add Tracker to add another tracking layer. If there is another object in your video that you want to track, you can do that as well. At the bottom, there is a very simple timeline where you also get cutting and trimming options, which you can use to increase or decrease the length of your video. Everything looks good, so I will click on the Export button to export the video. It is asking me to set the file location, so I will leave it at the default location and click Save. The media export has started, and the speed is quite fast. Within a few seconds, it is completely exported. I will click on Open in Windows Explorer, and the folder where the video is saved has opened. Let me play it for you. As you can see, the video is completely smooth. It looks as if the video was shot with the background already blurred. There is no cutting, blur distortion, or unwanted artifacts on the man at all. Now, the second tool we have is face tracking. I will select it and click Browse again to import the same video. As soon as the video is uploaded, the software automatically detects the face and starts tracking it. The speed is also very fast, and within a few seconds the face is tracked throughout the entire video. As soon as the tracking is completed, the effects panel on the right side automatically opens, from where you can apply different types of effects to the face in the video. Many kinds of mosaic and blur effects are available here, which you can use according to your needs. For now, I will close the effects and open the decoration panel below. Here, you will find many useful features. First, you can add any text to the face in the video, and it will move along with the face throughout the video, meaning it will remain fixed to it. For example, I type face here, and as soon as I click on Add Text, the text appears on the face. When I play the video, you can see that the text moves along with the face. For now, I will delete it. There are many text-related options in this panel that you can use to make your text more stylish. Next to text, there is another tab called Clip Art. When we open it, you will see many built-in stickers that you can attach to the face, just like we did with the text. There are also many masks available. For example, I select this mask and fix it onto the face. When I play the video, you can see that it moves perfectly with the face. There is no need for complicated editing. Everything is done with just one click. Apart from masks, there are many other stickers such as emojis, bubbles, frames, lines, and many more elements that you can use according to your needs. The third and final option is zone tracking, where you can track fast-moving objects quickly. I will click on Browse, and here I have a video of a car. I will upload it. Now I can simply choose which object in the video I want to track. For example, if I want to tag the number plate, I fix the tracker over it and click on Start Tracking. You can see it has started tracking. The tracking stops midway because, in this video, the front number plate is visible only up to that point. Now, for example, if I want to track the rear number plate, I will move the video slightly forward until the rear number plate becomes visible. I simply drag the tracker onto the rear number plate of the car and adjust its size. After doing this, I click on Start Tracking again, and within 2 to 4 seconds, this tracking is also completed. Now, for example, if I want to hide this number plate, I can apply any blur effect from here. You can see that the blur effect has been applied in both places. I move the playhead to the start and play the video for you. You can see that the number plate has been tracked very accurately, and the blur effect has been added, just within a few clicks, without any complicated or manual editing. If you want to try this powerful AI-based motion tracking tool yourself, click the link in the description, download Nero Motion Tracker, and start creating professional-level edits in minutes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this.